What does your brother do? What does your brother do? I got married 10 years ago. I got married 10 years ago. Take good care of yourself. Take good care of yourself. Excuse me, will you take a picture of us? Excuse me, will you take a picture of us? I'll be with you in a second. I'll be with you in a second. Wait for a moment outside the room. Wait for a moment outside the room. Please make the bed. Please make the bed. How much is the total? How much is the total? Would you lend me your pen? Would you lend me your pen? Who broke this window? Who broke this window? I need some paper. I need some paper. What do you think of me? What do you think of me? Who is your teacher? Who is your teacher? Is that okay? Is that okay? He awoke from a dream. He awoke from a dream. He is watching TV. He is watching TV. Close your eyes, please. Close your eyes, please. Are you fond of traveling? Are you fond of traveling? It is very cold today, isn't it? It is very cold today, isn't it? He is still young. He is still young. Are seats available? Are seats available? Which one is your office? Which one is your office? It's up to you. It's up to you. Take care. Take care. He is my friend. He is my friend.